Today we're going to be looking at Discord's upcoming friend nicknames, and I'm going to be talking about what I think of them and how they will actually be quite useful. So this person here says Discord friend nicknames have been in the code in Discord for a long time, but have never been released. So I don't know how long that refers to, but if this person is right, what seems like a not very big feature has been held off for quite a long time. So I don't know when we're going to see this, maybe we won't. But either way, here we have a nice UI. It says add friend nickname. So Discord says you can find a friend faster with a personal nickname. It will only be visible to you in your direct messages. I'm not actually going to show you me adding a friend nickname because I don't have access to that feature yet. I guess what I could do if I had access to this feature and what it would be like when it comes out, it'll be something like this. So you right click the friend here and there will be a button saying change nickname or add friend nickname or something like that. So this pop-up will come up and the friends list is sorted alphabetically. So the reason I find this feature so interesting is that because it's sorted alphabetically, what you can achieve is what a lot of people have wanted for a long time, which is favourite friends. What you can do is you can add a special character or use the exclamation point character and put that in front of the nickname. Just like on the user sidebar, if there was someone with an exclamation mark over here, it would bump them all the way up to the top. That's how people advertise their servers. So it starts with symbols and numbers and then it goes on to letters. So if you have some friends you want to bump up to the top, say you talk with them the most, or you care most about when they're online rather than some random people you added to your friends list, then put an exclamation point at the front of their name, and then it will bump them up to the top of the friends list, because remember, it's sorted alphabetically. So that's why I find this feature so interesting, because you can have favourite friends, and no one will know, because it's only on your screen I imagine. Unless a friend that you were giving a nickname to will see it, I'm not sure, that's yet to be seen. But then at least they know if you have an exclamation mark in front of their name, then you consider them one of your favourite friends, so I'm sure that'll give them a smile on their face. So that's it for friend nicknames, but that's not where this video is going to end. There's another post here, says like he appears to be the only one on the planet with this feature. So just like the last one, it seems to be a beta feature that they haven't released yet, and only some people get access to it. And given my luck, I haven't got access to this yet. I've only got access to like 1 out of 10 of the previous beta features. So this button here says get link to add friends. Invite a new friend to start a direct message. Send link to add friends, so copy link. The links expire in 7 days or 5 uses. So they're basically just like server invites, it seems. So you can get a link like discord.gg/something. I don't know how they're going to do links. So I was just thinking, literally as I'm saying this, that this will be a good feature because if you have friends disabled, if you don't like people adding you to their friends list, you can send them a link that is generated through this button here, and they'll click it and it will add them to your friends list. So that's it for this video. Until next time, I will see you there.